What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a really strange game today. If you haven't seen the new Spider-Man, you definitely should. Super fantastic movie. So I was looking into some Spider-Verse games. You know, there's Miles Morales, there's the Amazing Spider-Man, but you know, why not go free, right? So I went on the Microsoft store and I found Spider-Man, Amazing Strange Rope Police, and the description of the game says a Spider-Man-like character who swings from ropes. That's all I got. I haven't read anything further into it. I've opened up the application and it looks janky already, so I'm looking forward to it. Anyways, let's dive into the Spider-Verse and get started. Let's hit play and see what happens. I already have two windows up top. Wow. There's like 8 ads on my screen. That's probably fine. Oh, and the game crashed. Cool. Okay. Play. Oh, that's so loud. I haven't even started the game yet. You need to let me play first. Vice Spider Vague. What is happening? All right, it's super loud. Let's turn that down. If game lags or crashes, pick low. Quality setting. Let's go very high. Max cars / humans and shadows on. Okay, let's go maximum quality. This is maximum quality. This is gonna be gold. This is gonna be good. I can already tell. I feel like I'm gonna get malware from playing this game. I haven't even played the game yet. This is the 6th ad I've gotten. This is awesome. We're in the game. We're already looking at Spider-Man's butt. I love it. This is cool. We've got a giant target above our head, and Spider-Man standing like he really's gotta go. This is the Spider-Verse. There's no instructions on how to play this game, so we're just gonna start pushing buttons. Alright, I can punch. Do I have laser eyes? Hold on. Why? Oh! Okay. Yo, it's a Mustang. Come back. Oh, someone's shooting me. Oh, the cops are killed. Uh-oh. How do I web swing? How do I web swing? Spider-Man, help. Okay. Dead. Who is that guy? Who was the weird marshmallow guy? Oh, this is gold. Why does he climb like that? Okay, here we go. Ready? I don't think I'm supposed to be up here. Ready? That building's playing hide and seek. This is the greatest game I've ever played. Okay, I can't, oh, I can unweb. Do I take fall damage? I don't. I would like the bike. He's driving it backwards. Can I? Why did he just fall off? Get on the bike. Why are you? Get out of laser eyes. Uh-oh, I better run. Who has a machine gun? Who's got the machine gun? Whoa! Get over here. Oh, I can't get in there. Whoa, why are you? Who are you? Oh, it's this guy again. I web you. Oh yeah, get him. Get it. Oh! That was the coolest combo. I think. Oh, and the fire truck just doesn't. I can web fire trucks. This guy's shooting me and I don't appreciate it. You need to stay right there right there, sir. Nope. Aim at his head. Punch, Spider-Man. Punch. That's not what I said. This game is so confusing. There's a thing that says I need to get on the bike, but I don't know how to get on the bike. Oh, get juked. Get juked. This is the greatest thing ever. Oh, you want a piece of this? You want a piece of this? Take a load of this. Ready? Boom! 3 out of 3 street cops. Let's go. Da-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I can fly? Why am I flying? This is awesome. Why do I? Okay, I have so many questions. There we go. Oh, I was so close. No, Spider-Man. I didn't. Okay, that's fine. This is fine. Why do I have an armor pack? Where did this come from? Okay, so I need to get down. Spacebar, let go. What other button should I try? What was that? Oh, is it sprint? Shift is sprint. Yo! Get in the trash truck. Get in the trash truck. Get in the trash truck. Alright, so Q will make it do a front flip. Whoa, you got out of there so fast. I applaud thee. Why are you punching me? Woman. I refuse. Pardon me, but why is... I'm gonna use this to my advantage. Why did you get out? You were... I didn't touch... It's the cop, not me. Why don't you stick to the top of the... Don't you dare run me over, sir. I want to get in the car. Let me in the car. R, F, F. F is to get in the car. I have to pick up the patient. I have a job to do. All right, I gotta go. I'll get that later. Excuse me, job to do here. If I shift, just like, no, click, what happens? Nothing. Okay. Oh. Turn left, turn left, turn left. There we go. I gotta go pick up the patient. Come on, Spider guy's here. Spider Doc. Dr. Spider. Get in the car. Like, come on. Whoa! Who is that guy? We gotta get you there the fastest way I can think of. That didn't work. Alright, I got an idea. Ready? We go over here. And web shooters. Go backwards, car. You're not that stuck. One more time. Oh, that's a nice car. Boom. Hang in there, patient. Hang in there, patient. Don't you dare touch me, cop. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right, we're back on the road. We got a minute left. Our patient's probably on fire in the back. Oh, there's the hospital. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stop. Stop. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Stop. Hey. She's so casual. Oh, that guy's about to get... Oh, oh, oh. Excuse me, sir, but... I'm not picking up another patient. No way. Oh. Spider-Man, that was not graceful, my friend. Boom. 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 Get in, 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 get in. Drive, 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 drive. Let's go. That was less exciting than I hoped for. Dun-na-na-na. Dun-na-na-na-na. I love it. Oh, trash truck. We gotta be the trash guys. Come on. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on, get in. Get in, Spidey. Get in, Spidey. Go. 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 Turn, turn, turn. Was that a monster? Hang on a second. Hang on. Trash duty's gotta wait. That was a monster truck. That's a monster truck. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Yeah. Spider-Man's awesome. Let's do this. Dun-na-na-na. Dun-na-na-na. Dun-na-na-na-na. I feel like we're gonna hit the edge of the map in 3, 2, 1. No? Okay. Pleasantly surprised. No freaking way. What is this? Oh. 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 That wasn't supposed to happen. We did. What did we win? Did we win anything? We won a lot right here. Alright, alright. Just don't drive off the back. Yes. Hop out. Okay. You were good. But you are a beauty. It's got 2 turrets. You were good. Oh, okay. I'm gonna let that sit. Let that soak for a minute. 3, 2, 1, bang. I love this thing. Oh, I just deleted your husband. Just out of curiosity, I want to see how fast these sports cars are. Okay, so now this car belongs to us. Officer, he has no tires. This was not my fault. Hey, lady, why are your tires gone? Where did your tires go? That is a Supra. Get in. Get in. No, why? Wrong button. No, Supra, no. Lady, you're gonna get crushed by this tank. No. No. Supra. Oh my goodness. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at this thing. Fire truck, put out. Thank you. Thank you. At least firemen care about Supras. How did I get stuck? That looks like a ramp, and I think that... Excuse me? Is that a helicopter? Michelin Man and, like, Cheese Whiz had a child, and this thing happened. Alright, we're up in the air. Ladies and gentlemen, Spider-Man into the Spider-Verse. Multiverse, now he flies helicopters. Is that guy riding a bicycle on the skyscraper? I'm sorry. What? Just make circles. And I have a license for this, don't worry. I'm gonna go down slowly. And then press F. Hop out. Oh, yeah. Alright, we gotta try a bike. We've gotta try a bike. Why did you just explode? Excuse me, sir. You're in my way. You're just taking your sleep. No. Why? Dude, the firemen are just good guys. I think it's my time to get out of here. I really want to try this Segway, though. Oh, sorry. Telekinesis to that guy. Yes. If this isn't Spider-Man Multiverse, then I don't know what is. This is just merely amazing. Oh, let's focus on driving, shall we? Spider-Man. His drifting ability is not quite there, but I'll give it to him. Because it's a Segway. Jump. Oh. Ooh. Phil, you're punching your own you're shooting your own guy there, Phil. Phil. Calm down there, partner. Okay. Okay. Oh, and the game stopped. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really confusing, but you know, that's how multiverses are. There can be Spider-Man as a loaf of bread, or there can be Segway Spider-Man, as you just saw today. If you guys have any other ideas for any games you guys would like me to play, please leave them down in the description box down below. I'll leave a link to this game in the description. However, it's kind of jank, so download at your own risk. I'll put a card up at the end of this video, but make sure you guys are subscribed to my live channel, because I'll do live streams of stupid stuff like this all the time. So be sure to check that out if you guys haven't already. Anyways, have a Merry Christmas. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.